On offer at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers is this 2026 Buckman Portax K model. The Buckman Portax K is in the big series of trailers. It's able to take horses up to 18 hands or smaller. We have a front exit ramp, which is what the K in the Portax K model stands for. And you have 7'8" internal height and two 33-inch wide stalls. So here I have the stall, as you can see on the side here. The rear bar is at the bottom of the three different positions. And we have up the front, it's actually set at the shortest position that's standard on the trailer. And we have 4 inches taller that we can go, which I think, yes, we have on the other side. So if I just come around, oh, there you go, it's up on the other side. So that's excellent. We have it set up as the step up at the moment, but it can be a ramp entry as well. It's your choice. And it's very easy to convert. If you have it open like the ramp, then you're going to pull the pin that you see here. It's going to get pulled sideways Once the ramp is closed up and it's secured on the driver's side, then you're going to pull that pin outwards and it's going to open up like a door and become the step-up version. You can take all the guts out of the trailer and then use it as a utility trailer, move hay, boxes, pallets of feed or shavings. I'm just going to pop in myself. You can see a little easier now. This is where the hay hangs from the roof. There's a hay net above each door or entrance, but there's also bracket on the tack cupboard. If you have really big horses, we recommend that you get a couple more brackets put on, and then you're able to hang your bags or your nets down in front. Better for them to eat, not swinging in their faces, really a much nicer option, but you can hang them from the top as well if you want. A light for night travel, blue light for night, white light for loading day or night. You want to open your roof vent first because the air comes over the top of the trailer and then down in through the air vent and out the back. Then you can open up your side windows because they're going to draw the extra air that's coming in through the top into the trailer and out the back, and that takes the heat off the horses' backs out the back of the trailer. It's a very efficient and aerodynamic system. How do I take my horses off? Well, if you like to back them off, it is recommended that you change from a step up and make it a rear ramp so that they can step in and then back down the ramp. That's safer so nobody slips and gets caught underneath the trailer. But Portax K is ideal for the front walk-off. That's why people get it. So here you go. You're going to undo the front chest bar. You've already got your lead line on your horse, and you're going to just walk this one on the passenger side off and down the ramp. If they fit in the stall here, they're going to fit out the ramp, out the doorway for the ramp and down. So now we have number 2. We'll take off the stall bar for the second horse. You have your lead line already onto your bridle, of course. We're going to push this panel out of the way because we want more space for this horse to pass by the front of that panel. So if I'm the horse, now I'm able to just turn my body and come straight on down the ramp. Super smart system. We love it. We'll just pop around the back side of this hunter green metallic Portax K with a large Decor on the side of a horse head, and come on up here to the tack locker. So in this tack locker, it swings open. Now you have hooks in here that you're able to hang your gear on. There's hooks on the inside as well, and a crop holder, a light up here for loading and unloading. I've opened the 2 red clamps. I've opened them so that now I can just pull easily out that saddle rack. Now this saddle rack will take both English and Western tack on it, but it is really great if you have a Western saddle as well because you've got a little more support than the telescopic poles that are on the other trailer models. It also comes in here with the broom and the shovel, and you have a step stool as well, so you can get up to the way up here to the 7'8" height of that roof vent, unless you're super tall. So this is the Portax K. Why do people choose the Portax K? I'm asked all the time. If you've got an older horse and it is having a hard time with weight bearing on the hind end, it makes it much easier for them to offload on the front. If you go by yourself somewhere and you want to be able to offload quickly and not ask for help, that makes it a dream. If you're training young horses to come in the back and out through the front, very open, easy to move the horses. So it's a really great idea. Portax K is very versatile, and it is one of the most popular trailers that we sell here. So grab one now before they're gone.